Hello everyone, this is Laura, the communication manager for the SPOTLOG project, and today I'm here with Anna to find out more about what is going on in the logistics sector in Poland. Anna, welcome, and can you please introduce yourself? Thanks.
Yes. Hello, my name is Anna and I'm working in Mazowiecka Agencja Agency as an energy specialist. So our headquarters is based in Warsaw, so the capital of Poland. And the overview of our region is that the Mazovia region is quite unique. So we have the big city like Warsaw, the capital city with about 2 million inhabitants. And the rest of the region is made up of some smaller towns and rural municipalities.
Okay, thank you. Perfect. And so a very first question for you. What's the biggest logistics challenge for your city, region, or area?
Okay, so in Mazovia region, the biggest challenge is limited connectivity in smaller communities. So we have like in rural or smaller municipalities, the transportation options are often limited, and public transportation and freight systems are often inefficient, and there are lack of eco-friendly options. So this makes it harder for people to in these rural areas to access work, education, healthcare, and also for businesses to receive goods or deliver products. We also have fragmented logistics systems. So the smaller municipalities often rely on traditional diesel-powered logistics systems that can increase environmental damage and are inefficient compared to the modern digital and zero emissions alternatives such that we have in capital city of Warsaw.
Okay, and so what could be a possible solution for this logistics situation?
So I believe that the main solution could be strengthening the regional connectivity and inclusivity. So we should improve the public transport, enhance bus and rail transport connections between rural areas and major urban hubs like Warsaw. To reduce the isolation and improving the access to jobs, healthcare, and education. We should also encourage electric buses and cargo vehicles in these undeserved areas that are often should be offering sustainable transport options and that reduce carbon emissions. So like in Warsaw, we currently have about 200 electric buses, but in the first half of the next year, we will plan to increase this number to 270. So I think that, yeah, this option should be also put to the smaller municipalities and other regions in our Mazovia region. We also, the other solution could be putting logistic hubs in smaller cities to set up regional logistics hubs closer to bigger towns such as Warsaw to reduce reliance on the capital and easing access to the markets while promoting sustainable delivery methods, for example, the cargo bikes.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and yeah.
Yeah, and no, please, I don't know if you want to add something else.
It's okay.
Okay, it's already a lot, already a lot of things to do. And on this regard, I would like to ask you, what kind of investment would be needed to implement all these possible solutions, and what kind of actors should be involved in this process?
Okay, so first of all, we need to gain fundings for the expansion of road and rail networks to the rural areas that I was talking before. And we should also create some, for example, AI digital platforms for efficient logistics. Also, we should invest in zero emission freight transport such that we have in Warsaw, for including electric buses and, for example, electric vehicles charging infrastructure. And also we could develop some smart mobility platforms for integrated digital solutions to support both passengers and also the freight transport. And I think the key stakeholders should be like mainly local authorities, because they are responsible for the regional infrastructure improvements and policy coordination to foster the better connectivity and sustainable transport solutions. But also the transport operators, because logistics providers and public transport companies need to adopt like the zero emissions fleet and collaborate on the efficiency of the delivery system. Also, we could like the key stakeholders also could be the technology providers, for example, the companies that design smart traffic management systems, and also the digital logistics platform. And also a stakeholder could be the European Union and national governments. Like they also can provide fundings for the development for the roads and rail traffic. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. A lot to do. Uh, so thank you so much, Anna, for being with us today and for sharing your view and opinions and ideas. Thank you so much.